Look at the elephant. Big ears, big ears, big ears. Yes. Small nose, look at the monkey. Small nose, small nose, small nose. Yes. Long neck, look at the giraffe. Long neck, long neck, long neck. Yes. Short tail, look at the elephant. Short tail, short tail, short tail. Yes. Big or small, long or short. Look and see, the animal has big ears. The animal has a long neck. The animal has a small nose. Animals, animals, look at me, look at me. Big or small? Goodbye now.